Welcome back to the online class of Al Farouk School, Padaparamba. Dear students, we are discussing the chapter Polynomials. Through this chapter, we mainly discussed two main points. First one, the relation between zeros and coefficients. That is the first point. Here we considered two types of polynomials. First one, a linear polynomial. The general form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b equal to 0. Okay. Here the value of x can be calculated by using the formula minus b by a. Here b is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x. So here x is equal to, or 0 is equal to, minus constant divided by coefficient of x. So this is the formula for finding the 0 of a linear polynomial. Is it clear? Now second type is a quadratic polynomial or a quadratic equation. It is the general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a polynomial with a degree 2 has at most two zeros, and that two zeros considered as alpha and beta. Clear? Here the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of the zero, that is alpha beta, is equal to c by a, that is constant divided by coefficient of x square. So once again I am repeating that sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of the zeros is equal to constant divided by coefficient of x square. So this is the first point. This is the first point. Okay. Now the second point is that from zeros to polynomials, which means if two zeros are given, then we can find out the corresponding polynomial by using this formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta, that is x square minus sum of the 0 into x plus product of the 0. This is the second point. Is it clear? Now the next topic, division algorithm for polynomials, are removed for this academic year only. So dear students, you have to study only these 2 points and their problems. Okay. Now one more point, that is the relation between the zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. That is only for one word questions. Okay. Now students, in the case of a cubic polynomial, Its general form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, and here it has at most 3 zeros that may be considered as alpha, beta and gamma. Okay. Here their sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is equal to minus b by a, and alternate sum, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, is equal to c by a. Okay. And the product of the zero, that is alpha beta gamma, is equal to minus b by a. Okay. Now students, as a revision, we are going to rewind some problems. First one, find the zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients of 2x square plus 9x plus 9. It is related to the first point of today's discussion. Okay. So here, first of all, you have to find out the zeros. That zeros can be find out easily by splitting middle term method. Okay, so here, look here, 9 should be the sum, and product. It will be the product of these two numbers, 2 into 19, 18. Clear? So you have to find out the corresponding numbers. So please think about the numbers. Two numbers, their multiplication, that is product, should be equal to 18, and their sum should be 9. So what are the required numbers? Yes, required numbers are 6 and 3. These are the required numbers. Verify. 6 into 3, 18, 6 plus 3, 9. So you have to split the middle term as 6x plus 3x according to this number. Okay. We are using the method 2x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 7. So we splitted the middle term. Now consider the first two terms. 2x square plus 6x. What are the common factors? 2, 6, 2 is the common factor. X square, x is the common factor. Remaining kept in the bracket. So here x balance. Here 6 by 2, 3 balance. Now consider the last two. From that 3, 9, 3 is the common factor. That is the only common factor for these two terms. Now the remaining in the bracket, x plus 9 by 3. Clear? So here x plus 3 is the common factor. So we can take off x plus 3 outside and the remaining kept in another bracket, 2x plus 3. So these are the two factors. From the factors, we have to find out the zeros easily by equating each factor into zeros. First one, x plus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 is 1 0. Another one, second factor, that is 2x plus 3 equal to 0, that is 2x equal to minus 3, that is x is equal to minus 3. So these are the two zeros. Now you can verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. Is it clear? Okay. Now students, Consider another question. Here alpha equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. Okay, here the two zeros are given. You have to find out the corresponding polynomial. Okay, so here you can simply find out the sum and product first. So alpha beta equal to 3 plus 2 by 3. By cross multiplication, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2 divided by 3. That is equal to 11 by 3. That is the sum. Now product alpha beta is equal to 3 into 2 by 3. That is 3 cancel. So you can write the polynomial as x square minus sum, that is plus product. In order to avoid or remove the denominator, you have to multiply the entire polynomial by the denominator to this 3. So what happens? All terms should be multiplied by 3. So this is 3 into x square, that is 3x square. 11 by 3 into 3. 3 cancel, so 11. 11 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So this is the required. Is it clear? So dear students, these are the two main questions for this chapter. The remaining portion is removed for this academic year. So you can simply score the marks in this chapter, polynomials. Clear? Now that is all from this chapter. So we will conduct a unit test for this chapter in the next Monday. Okay. And one more thing, before winding up, I will give some homeworks too, and if you have any doubts, you can ask to the WhatsApp group. Okay. Dear students, please note your homework. First one, find the zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Two questions are in that category. First one, 8x square plus 10x plus 3. Second one, 5y square plus 23y plus 12. Okay. Listen, you have to find out the zeros and verify the relation between the coefficients and zeros. Clear? Now second type, write the polynomial for the following zeros. Here the zeros are given, you have to find out the corresponding polynomial. First one, alpha 4, beta 6 by 5. The second question, alpha 2 by 3 and beta 3 by 2. Okay, that's all from today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.